Hi guys, welcome to this module on Microsoft Excel. In this session we're going to look at a nested if statement, as you can see there, the weekday function, the switch function, and using the format feature. So basically what this spreadsheet shows you is 4 different ways of achieving the same result. In column A I have a date. Now the nested if function first of all is telling me what day of the week that is. So if I put today's date in that top cell, press enter, it tells me that today is Wednesday. If I change that to tomorrow, it tells me it's Thursday. So how does the nested if know that? Well, if you look at the formula bar, the nested if is using the weekday function to return the day of the week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, etc. So to have a look at the weekday function in isolation, weekday A2 is returning a number 5. The number 5 in Microsoft Excel equates to Wednesday. Number 5 equates to Thursday, sorry. I'll just change that day from today. Put that back to today's date. That just confused me slightly. Yeah, number 4 equates to Wednesday. So 1 is Sunday, 2 is Monday, 3 is Tuesday, 4 is Wednesday. And there you've got it there, the numbers. So obviously the numbers don't really mean anything. So the nested if statement is putting that into English for us. So it says there if A2 equals 1, so if weekday A2 equals 1, say it's a Sunday. If it equals 2, say it's a Monday, and so on all the way across. So that's what the nested if function does. Now, there's a weekday function. Now the switch function does a similar thing, except what you're doing is you're swapping the number from this column, from column C, which says there 1. So you're switching the 1 to a day, in this case Sunday. So if C2 is a 1, it's a Sunday. If it's a 2, it's a Monday. If it's 3, it's a Tuesday, etc., etc., all the way to the end. That one is obviously not as big as this one. And remember, if you're copying this formula down in a big spreadsheet, these sort of functions are going to eat your memory. That's going to eat less memory. Now, an easier way still, if this is the result you're after, obviously there are other occasions where you may need this type of function and you may need this type of function, but for days of the week, I think the simplest way and the less memory hungry way to do it would be just simply to format the date to show the day of the week. So I've got a formula in column E, in cell E2, that says equals A2, it's just equaling that. These are just equaling it all the way down. Now all I did was this, so if I just repeat what I did, equals the date, tick, and then just pull that down. Now obviously that's just a replica of this, but I want to format this so it displays the days of the week. Now to do that, simply going up to format, number formats, picking on custom. There is the current format, just getting rid of all of this, putting 3 Ds in there, and then I achieve the same. I can left align that if I want. I achieve the same result, and that is a very, very small formula which will not be using a lot of memory on a large sheet. So if that's what you're trying to achieve, I would recommend that you use this method rather than that one, and definitely not that one. But although these will work, they're going to be using a lot more memory. So hopefully that's useful for you, and I hope it's going to save you time in the future. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you again shortly.